Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Metamask to Opensea. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So now what we're going to do is go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to connect Metamask to Opensea. From here, we can now see the step-by-step process on how we can connect Metamask to Opensea. After that, we can see right here the step-by-step process. Right here in the first option, it says that we have to go to opensea.io. And then after that, we have to click the wallet icon. You can see that at the top right corner of the screen. And then select MetaMask from the list of wallet options. And that's it! Thank you for watching! If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe